Hello and welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Avocado Crema. Today we're going to be making a very simple, easy, and delicious avocado crema that you can use as a dip or a topping or even as a condiment. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I just have to show you this avocado just to give you an idea of how huge it is. Look, it's just about as big as my face and I already have it cut. Look at this. Just gorgeous. Beautifully ripe avocado. So here are the main ingredients we'll be using today for our avocado crema. We have this jumbo, and I mean jumbo, completely ripe avocado, and we have a lime and some flat leaf Italian parsley, some Mexican crema, coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt to taste, fresh ground garlic, some Spanish thyme, culantro, and also we have these beautiful red hot chili peppers to give it a nice zing. So because the avocado is so huge, I think I'm going to be doing 2 batches, and all I'm going to be doing is just pretty much giving everything like a rough chop, because we are going to be like blending everything together in a little food processor that I have. So we don't need to do everything like really fine, just a rough chop is going to do. And I did take the seeds out of the hot peppers as well. You're also going to want to like scrape the insides out. You know that little brown skin that covers the avocado seed? So if any of that has stuck to the inside of the avocado, you want to just scrape that out. Get that out. And then we're going to peel the avocado and cut it into chunks. So here's my mini food processor with I've got the fresh herbs and the peppers in here and some of the avocado. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of blend that up first before I add my salt and pepper and the crema. So now I'm going to add some salt, kosher salt. I love the flavor of kosher salt. And then also a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. And a generous amount of Mexican crema before I blend everything together. Also squeeze of nice lime juice, which is going to kind of help to retain the color of the avocado crema. Now another blending together so that we get everything nice and smooth. We want a nice creamy consistency that flows nicely. Okay, you know what? I almost forgot my fresh ground garlic. So I'm just going to add this in now and give it another blend and we'll be all done. So look at this. I think this looks really, really nice. I love that. And I'm going to give it a quick taste. Check for salt. That's perfect. I just got done blending in the garlic, so I'm going to give this another taste. That garlic just adds this beautiful dimension and flavor to the whole avocado crema. It's perfect. So it's that time to do my favorite part, the taste test, and I want to try mine with some chips. Cheers. I have to say this is a perfect blend of flavors. And you know what? Because some of my friends like a little spicy, but not too spicy, and this would be perfect. It's just got right amount of kick to it, but not too much to like make you gag for breath or anything like that. So it's just perfect. I hope you enjoyed today's episode making a quick, easy, and delicious avocado crema. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more original recipes. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. And for now, I'm going to continue my taste testing. Cheers.